The San Francisco Seagulls returned to the field Wednesday after 2 days off to face the Atwater Aviators. Jack Harris got it going early for the Gulls with this RBI single to make it 1-0 in the third. Tyler Ryan piled on with this single, knocking in a couple of runs, making it 4-0. The Gulls would end up with 6 runs in the third inning after this Jared Bannister RBI single. After a Paul Murray triple, Nick McGrew brings him home with an RBI single. Later in the inning, Neil Sterling would knock McGrew in with a sac fly to make it 8-2 Gulls. Paul Murray would slap this RBI double into left, and San Francisco would go on to win by a final count of 12-2, remaining undefeated on the season.